My name is Paul Bregman. I'm a medical doctor, a cannabis advocate, and also a cannabis patient. Myrcene is a terpenoid. Terpenes are what give fruit, vegetables, but especially fruit, their smell. But they also have medicinal effects because they're found in cannabis to varying degrees. Myrcene is one of those terpenes. The terpene myrcene is good for pain and facilitates, in some reports, the THC crossing the blood-brain barrier. The idea about myrcene, or the joke about myrcene, is that if you have a couple of mangoes or an intense mango shake about 20 minutes before you ingest cannabis, you may experience more psychoactivity and more euphoria. Could make cheap weed more powerful through mango ingestion or myrcene ingestion in this case.